Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW E46, guys, and we'll show you where to find the fuse for the folding side mirrors. Now, this guys is E46. This is the 3 series generation, guys, from 1998 to year 2006. We'll show you where to find that fuse. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, in return all we need is subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. So all the tools and parts, including the replacement fuses, will be listed in the description of the video below. Make sure you check it out. So let me show you now where that fuse is located. Okay, so we need to go inside. Okay, right here we have the little mechanic, a little bit sleepy here now. So we need to go ahead and open our glove box, guys. Okay, right here, this is the glove box. Open it like that, and you can see you have two turning things. Okay, like this one, and you will be able to pull the fuse box down. Now you're going to see, guys, the numbers for the top row printed on top with white ink, and the bottom they're engraved in the plastic. And the fuse, guys, that we will need in our case, okay, it's fuse number 57. Okay, fuse number 57 is the one. Okay, let me see where it went. Is the one for the folding mirrors. And number 57, guys, okay, it should be 5 fuse. So looking at it, okay, it will be this 5 fuse right here. So how you guys replace that one? Okay, you go ahead, grab the puller, okay, press it on top, okay, and pull it out. Now we're going to place it on top of the fuse, squish towards the front, and pull the fuse out. The replacement fuses, guys, and all that will be listed in the description of the video below. Make sure you check it out, it will be very good price. Then all we have to do later, just push it in, guys. Okay, like that. Don't forget to install your fuse puller, okay, because you will need it next time. And after that, okay, you're going to close your fuse box, okay, so you don't break it and cause any damage, because that could be catastrophic for you. Later, close your box, and pretty much, guys, this is it. This is the fuse for the outside folding mirrors. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos. If you want to see any specific videos, let us know. Drop a comment below. We'll try to make it happen so we can, guys, save you more money. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.